Hi all, welcome back to the channel, and in today, episode 5 of the Necromunda project, we're going to be making industrial stairs. And as always, I would suggest make a bunch of them because you're gonna need a bunch of stairs to get up to all those elevations that we've already made and continue to be making. So yeah, without further ado, follow me to the crafting table and let's bang out some stairs for Necromunda. Let's do this.
Alright guys, so we're gonna begin our project with two grid squares that one is 10 by 10 centimeters with a 1 centimeter grid, and the other is 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters with a 1 centimeter grid. And I'm gonna connect the corners, just one, and also do the same for the smaller one. And now I'm marking out which are going to be the steps of the stairway, and I'm marking also the negative space between it, and if that makes sense. And here I'm drawing another line that is 1 centimeter across from the other one we just drew. Do that again for the smaller piece, as you see here. Now I'm gonna cut it out with some scissors. Nice of me staying in focus of the camera. And then I'm gonna cut the triangles. Either you can do that with scissors or with a knife, as you see me do here. That's the negative space between, so that's the triangles. You just have to cut them out and you will get the template for the stairs. Just remove the triangles. You can use a knife as well. I ended up using scissors. Now this template, we're going to trace that onto some foam board or cardboard if you prefer, but if you use cardboard, be sure to make use of the double corrugated ones. It's sturdier. Now I'm going to cut out all the templates that I just traced, or all the pieces of the stairs I just traced. Also the smaller ones, because we're going to make two stairways. We're going to make one regular stairs, and we're also going to make a platform stairs. Just follow along as I do here. Now for the platform, I'm using a plastic cross-stitch sheet to create also the steps of the stairs and also the platform. But first let's create the steps. And that's 1 centimeter in width and 4 centimeters in length. Just use a template of these steps as you see here. 4 centimeters in length, 1 centimeter in width. And start by cutting out as many steps as you're gonna need. And then hot glue the bottom one and the top one first, for stability. And then it's simply a matter of fact of just gluing all the steps in place, like this. Now remove those nasty glue wisps. Alright, now let's make that platform. Now take the pieces of 5 centimeter stairs and do the same as you just did before, except this time don't glue the top part on as you see me do here, because as you will see, I'm going to have to remove it, because that is where we're going to glue our platform. And my platform is 6.5 centimeters by 9 centimeters. Weird measurements, I know. It was just a leftover piece that I had, so I used this. Now we're gonna attach with hot glue the top part, and do make sure when you glue that on that the edge of the stairs lines up with the edge of the platform, if you know what I mean. Now we're gonna add some more stability to the stairway platform, and I'm gonna create these paper drinking straws and wooden dowels into a length of 5 centimeters. I'm using some clippers to cut the dowels. Just use them as a reference guide to cut as many as you want and need. Now I put some PVA glue into the drinking straw and I'm inserting the wooden dowel. And then it's just a matter of fact of putting some hot glue on the top part and just stick that support beam, sorry about that, and stick that support beam underneath the platform. Do this for 3 of the 4 corners, except the one where the stairs are. Now, some more details. Now I'm gonna add some, also gonna add a support beam at the top. Later on I'm adding a second one. And these wooden blocks, I'm hot gluing them to where I've glued the support beams. And here I'm attaching the coffee stirrers, extra support. And this is the second support beam on the top of the stairs that I'm adding. If you guys want me to slow down the videos, just put a note of that into the comment section. Now, once everything is done, go outside and prime that thing black. And yeah, for the painting, I could explain it again, but just as you see, it's the same paint scheme I've used in all previous 4 episodes. So for those of you who've seen the episodes, you know how this works. For those of you who didn't see the episodes, I will put the link in the description down below where you can check out the entire playlist of my Necromunda series. And if you like this content, don't forget, maybe leave a like, leave a comment, and if you want to, subscribe to the channel for a lot more content coming your way, guys. Thank you all again. Alright, now let's paint, because I love this blue, whatever I want in a color. It doesn't have to be blue, you know that. You can use red, white, yellow, purple, orange, whatever. Whatever fits your scheme. Now I'm adding some more brown again for the rust effect. And later on I'm gonna stipple that same brown with some orange. You guys know the drill by now. The orange paint on the same spots as I did the brown. Just stipple that on, make it dirty, make it grimy. It is the grim dark after all, so matches the scheme. Just stipple on as much rust as you want to. You can also use weathering pigments or crayons as I did in the first 2 episodes. And it would work perfectly with this as well. And actually maybe I'm going back and doing that later. I didn't do this on the video, but I'm thinking about going back. Same for the hazard stripes, same as I've done in the previous episodes. Use some white glue with the printed hazard stripes, glue them on and cover them again with some white glue to seal them in. Later on, I'm across the hazard straps, I'm also dabbing on some more brown paint to make it blend in with the environment, because it wouldn't look nice to have those clean hazard stripes on that grim dark looking terrain. So we're just about finished here, and yeah, just stipple on some more brown, seal it in as well. There we go. Stairs. Now let's look at the finished piece, shall we? And that's one dead gene stealer. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'll be back for another episode soon. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye for now. Bye, guys.